of an array. Given an array of integers R, replace each element with its rank. The rank represents how large the element is. The rank has the following rules. Uh, the rank is an integer starting from 1. The larger the element, the larger the rank. If two elements are equal, the rank must be the same. The rank should be as small as possible. So we have example 1 here, and we can see we have this, and if you divide all of these by tens, which in this case it corresponds to perfect rank. So the smaller the number is, the smallest number starts from 1, from an index of 1 here, we can see, and the largest, since we have 4 numbers here, is given 4. And here's the explanation for that. And here we see what does it say again? If two numbers are equal, their rank must be the same. And here we see these numbers are equal here, and the rank are all the same. Example 3, we see this. We can see that the corresponding number is 5 here, and it's given a rank of 1 since it's the smallest, and the largest one here is 8, and we can see that is 100 in this list. That's why it's the largest rank. So we can solve this quite easily. Let's make a set. Let's make a unique number sets. Let's call it so for let's call it unique nums equals to sorted set, put R in it, and then let's make a ranks. Let's call ranks equals to let's make our dictionary, and then put assign nums would be the num so num I, so we used I plus 1, so for every number we have inside we'll increase it by 1 for num, and for I num, and enumerate, so we can separate, so we're able to index, enumerate, what's it called again, unique nums. So now let's return rank of the num. So for num and R, so this will basically take every number in this array and add it by 1. Let's see if there's any syntax error. So 1, 2, so we add 1. So enumerate ranks as num in R. Let's see if this is it, and it's been able to work. So the time and space complexity. Time complexity is, we're starting it, that'll be n of log n and going ahead. So n of log n. Space complexity is O of n. I'll submit to see if it's going to pass all cases, and it's been able to pass all cases, and that's it for this problem.